The C100 Pro supports 3 ways to transfer files. 1. Transfer via the app. 2. Transfer via USB. 3. Transfer via SD card. 1. Using the app. Before transferring files via the SJCAM X app, make sure the camera is connected to the app. For detailed steps, please refer to the app connection guide video. After a successful connection, SJCAM X will enter the app interface. Tap the playback icon in the bottom right corner. Select the file you want to transfer. Then tap the download button below to save it to your phone. 2. Using a USB cable. Insert the USB cable into the camera's USB port. Connect the other end to your computer. Once connected, you can access and transfer files from the camera. 3. Using an SD card. Prepare an SD card reader. Remove the SD card from the camera and insert it into the card reader. Plug the card reader into your computer. To access the files on the SD card,